Pyramids, not too hard. If you can do a prism, you can do a pyramid. Because the formula for pyramids has 1/3 in front. Now, unfortunately, this is how they give it to you. But what do we know is a cheat other than multiplying by 1/3?
No clue.
Come on, guys.
1/3.
You turn in decimal. Oh, it's like 3.
If I don't, okay, I don't want to multiply by half, so
Thirds. You're going to divide.
divide by a half.
4.
Divide by, oh my god, stop saying random numbers. Stink, guys.
What? Oh, 1/3.
Right, if you're multiplying by a half, 1/2, right? That's too complicated, so we divide by 2. You can't divide by half.
Oh yeah, you divide by 2.
You divide it by 2, because 1/2 divide by 2. So instead of multiplying by 1/3, we can divide by 3, right? They're not going to give it to you like that. So you have to remember it. So it's the exact same thing you've been doing. Okay? So, area of base, which is down here. Right?
Oh, students start off.
Nope. It's going to give you your base. I'm just going to do this. 28. Right? What?
He's just saying stuff.
Okay, so for area of base, it's the same as we did with prisms. 28.
29.
Now, with shh, you can do that in a minute. I'm teaching. With the prism, we did area of base, which is 28 times the height. What's the height? 13. Adding the 1/3. So if it's me, I'm going to do 28 times 13, which is 364, and I'm going to divide by 3 versus multiplying by a half. Or a third, I mean, right? 3, 4, 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 3, yep, and it will just keep repeating. Is cute. All right, so not super complicated. If you can do prisms, you should be able to do this. See how it's basically the exact same thing. Now, a rectangular prism pyramid, guess what it has? Just like a rectangular prism has a rectangular base. We find base. I know it's BH, but you can also think of it as length and width. Okay, the height of your pyramid always forms a right angle with your base. So don't let them, it does not follow the length. Can't spell. Okay, that's important because what they'll try to do, side, like on this line right here. That's not height, right? Think about your own self. When you measure height at the doctor's office, you stand up, right? You don't lean like this. So height of your pyramid is never gonna be at an angle. Hey, girl. So again, formula is 1/3 area base times height, or area base times height divided by 3. And that's going to be your easier route. Which if you work it out, it comes out to be the same thing. The problem with 1/3 turning into a decimal is it's 0.3333, it repeats. So you could multiply your volume by 0.33 and get close, but it's up to you. So I'll put it on here. By point, you would need to do at least 2. So 0.33. Because let's see, 28 times 13, right? That's our volume, times 0.33. It's close.
Well,
Right?
which that means that isn't.
Because it technically goes on forever, 0.3333. Like, but when you're doing multiplication by hand, do you want to do times 0.3333? You don't want to do that 4 or 5 times, right?
Yeah, but like,
That's a little closer. So it's up to you. You can multiply it by this, 0.333.
I just want to test it, like, answer that you multiply by 0.33, but, or an answer that.
You should be able to make a logical guess at that point, right? Because
Two, like, they're similar, but only one is right.
then you would have to divide by 3 like you're supposed to.
Okay, so then,
So that's what I'm telling you. If you're multiplying, look at how different these answers are from what we actually got. They're different. Because 1/3 repeats on and on. So if you're going to multiply by 0.33, it can work. You just have to guess. Right? If I got 120 and that was an answer choice, that's the closest, then that's what I would pick. Think smart. So, but if it's fill in the blank, then is that going to be a right answer? No. So, oops. All right, number 2. Let's pause. Let you solve it. So, first solve for B, area of base, and then you're going to plug it into your formula. 1/3 area base times height. Should be able to do your area of base pretty quickly. Good, right? 12 and 12. Not too bad. So 144. And then the height is 18. So 144 times 18 gives us 2592. And then what's my next step? Divide by 3. Good. 3 goes into 2, 0. 3 goes into 25, 7 times. Oh yeah, 8. Well, I just did 2. I said 7. It's 8. Going too fast. 3 goes into 19. Yeah, because that'd be 18. 1. 3 goes into 12. 4. 864 centimeters cubed. All right. Not too bad. Okay. No, think logically. You're matching the shape with the formula. Okay, so A goes with which one? So what is the base for A?
11 times 13.
11 times 13. So which one has that as your first parentheses?
Ooh, G, bro.
Yeah, G.
I like my G.
And the height is?
17.
So this is your area of base. Height comes next in the formula. On that quiz, this one threw a lot of people off. You're just matching it with the equations.
So we did some of this.
You did for prisms. All right, so card A matches card G. We'll do the solutions in a minute. Card B goes with
E.
E. Card C goes with
B.
H. Card D goes with F. Good. All right, we're gonna split it up. Isaiah and Jose, y'all do card A and G. Diego and Logan do card E. Lana and Jaden do card C and H, whatever, because they're the same. And me and Paisley will do card D. They're the same. Remember? Guys, they're the same. Okay, stop. Let me see. I think we got it now.
Yay!
So ours is 498.6 repeating.
Ours is just 400.
AG, what did y'all get?
850.3.
Y'all both agree?
Yep.
I'm trusting you.
Oh, inches. Square?
So tell me again.
800.
820.3 repeating.
I said 10, not 20.
810.3
Yes. That's one.
repeating. Inches cubed, right?
Oh, inches.
Okay, and then BE.
400 yards cubed.
How'd y'all get the easy one?
Yeah, 30 seconds. That's every.
CH. 440? No decimal?
No.
Dang.
Light work.
And is it centimeters? Centimeters cubed. Alright. Very good.
We got the biggest
What was the second one? 400. Just 4? That's crazy.
short answer of the day.
Alright. We're going to skip this. Tonight's homework is actually going to be a worksheet on pyramids because the Get More Math assignment has both rectangular pyramids and triangular pyramids, which you do triangles the same, except the base is different, right?
Yeah.
So, but I just don't want you to get confused. So tonight we're going to do a paper homework until we can do triangular pyramids tomorrow, which the setup is the exact same.
Yay, paper homework.
Way easier. I have no idea.
Paper.
Oh, you just have to find the triangle base, multiply it by the height.
Is that the homework?
No, this is what we're doing tomorrow.